channel Fun with Swan and welcome to #FoodyFriday. So in today's Foodie Friday, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the recipe of Mexican cheesy fries. Sounds different, na? So actually, you get these basically in McDonald's or like many other places also. But today, I'm gonna be telling you that how you can make it by your own only, like homemade only. And yeah, now without any further delay, let's get the video. Okay, on the ingredients. So for that you will need salt, half teaspoon salt, 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, and 2 potatoes. And the quantity of salt and corn flour also depends on the potatoes, like the size of them. And here you will also need some cheese, some oregano, and lastly you will need some mayonnaise and of course tomato ketchup. So here, as you can see, I have the peeled potatoes, and the skin of it I have removed it, and I have washed it also. And make sure that you also wash it before and after you peel. I can't stop rain. I'm only burning. We always run. Don't catch the moment. These are like the potatoes that we have chopped nicely, and yeah, so I have washed it also properly. And now in this we'll add the other thing. We have this some oil, and yeah, this now I'm gonna wait till it becomes like hot, and then we'll fry those like the potatoes in it. So here, once I have just put it to test it. These are like the fries and all, and they are literally look so yummy. Plus, because they were hot fries only, that's why the cheese has melted also. That's more great. You can also put cheese sauce and all if you want. So I'm just gonna do a quick taste test of it and show you the review. Guys, it's really nice. Hey guys, so I hope that you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Fun with Swan. And yeah, do try this recipe. So yeah, I'll see you again in my next video. So until then, keep having fun guys. Bye bye. Hi. So Hey guys,